If you're like me and can't afford to take a vacation to Hawaii, then I have the drink that'll help you imagine that you're on a beach somewhere. And if you are rich, congratulations, let me know how that's going. I think this is a drink that everyone will enjoy. This is the Blue Hawaiian. Let's get started. To make this drink, we're going to start off with half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, followed by 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Next up is 3/4 of an ounce of blue curaçao, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of cream of coconut, not coconut milk or coconut cream. If you have any doubt, look for the can that I'm using right here, which is called Coco Lopez. And now for the final ingredient, 1.5 ounces of light rum. Once all the ingredients are in the small side of the shaker, grab the large shaker tin and fill that with ice. Now we're going to go ahead and pour the cocktail on top of the ice. Look at what a great color that is. Now go ahead and close up the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then grab a nice tall glass filled with ice and strain your drink out into the glass. I really do love how this drink looks. It actually does make me think about being on the beach somewhere on vacation with nothing to worry about. If you feel the same way, give the video a like, maybe even subscribe. Now we're going to throw on some garnishes to make it look presentable for the video. First we have a pineapple wedge, then some pebble or crushed ice on top. Looks like a little island in the ocean. Whoops, spilled a little bit there. Luckily I have a second take. Well, you get the idea. And last but not least is the cherry on top. It's an actual cherry. And here is the Blue Hawaiian. Pineapple and coconut is always a great combination. This drink is very similar to a Piña Colada, but with that extra fun blue color. If this video gave you an appetite for more, please subscribe and watch one of these videos right here. Thanks for watching.